All right, and welcome back to my YouTube channel dedicated to all things sailing. Here in this video, we are obviously not sailing. One of my hobbies when I'm not sailing is aerial photography with drones. And just late last year, I was able to get a new Avata 2 drone, and I really enjoy taking it around and flying in various places. You're going to see some more of this kind of drone footage, and I hope to give a little kind of history and or context voiceover to these various places that I visit along the way. So I hope you enjoy. And the first stop here is in Oregon, actually. First stop is the Heceta Headlight. That's a lighthouse essentially on the Oregon coast, 13 miles north of Florence. The lighthouse shines a beam visible for 21 nautical miles, making it the strongest light on the Oregon coast. Much more recently on my non-sailing adventures, I went to Seattle to visit some friends, and we went to a park called Gasworks Park. All in all, it was a really cool park in basically the heart of Seattle there. Gasworks Park is located in Seattle, Washington. It's about 19 acres on the site of the former Seattle Gas Light Company gasification plant. Gasworks Park contains remnants of the sole remaining coal gasification plant in the United States. The plant operated from 1906 to 1956 and was bought by the city of Seattle for use as a park in 1962. A website affiliated with the Seattle Times newspaper said, "Gasworks Park is easily the strangest park in Seattle and may rank among the strangest in the world." Last up on my little drone tour today is the Bellingham Bay. Bellingham Bay is a bay of the Salish Sea located in Washington State in the United States, obviously. It is separated from the Strait of Georgia on the west by the Lummi Peninsula, Portage Island, and Lummi Islands. I hope I'm saying that right. Zuanich Point Park features the Safe Return statue. The Safe Return statue is a memorial to deceased fishermen at Zuanich Point Park in Bellingham, Washington. It is adjacent to the fishing port of Squalicum Harbor. I'm going to finish up with just some shots of the Squalicum Harbor jetty that protects it from the, Bellingham Bay. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. I know it's a little bit off topic from what I normally do, but again, I have lots of different hobbies. And I'd love to share more of this kind of stuff with you in the future. So leave a comment, let me know what you think. Give me some places that I can go and check out, maybe do some flying, and I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.